Let's make today homemade yogurt dahi. My BG used to set this up every night, boil the milk, and in this container, I'm just going to leave it until the milk is lukewarm. I'm going to leave it in this. And once it's lukewarm, I'm going to use dahi, which is any yogurt which is 3.25 full fat yogurt as a bacteria culture to set it up. Remember only to use 2 to 3 teaspoons of yogurt for your 1 liter milk. And then I will see you in the morning when this yogurt is set. It has been 8 hours since my yogurt has been setting. Wow, look at that. A nice, creamy, thick yogurt is set. Homemade yogurt dahi is ready. Recipe is on my blog. Do check it out.